Thank you for joining me at the Brenton Lofts in Davenport, Iowa. I am going to give you a virtual tour of Unit 307. This is one of 3 accessible units. They do have accessibility features. When you enter, you've got some coat racks, a galley kitchen, your full-size washer and dryer, additional cabinetry above. All of the cabinetry will have adjustable shelving. There's additional shelving here. Your kitchen comes fully equipped with a counter microwave, dishwasher. You have a garbage disposal with the spray nozzles. Works out really nice. Soap dispensers, electric ovens and stove tops. The refrigerators, the ice makers are built in the freezer. So you do have automatic ice makers. This does wrap around to our living area with floor to ceiling windows, offering a ton of natural lighting. Lots of wall space. They come equipped with energy efficient heating and cooling systems. You've got residential views of historical homes, a cool brick road down below. Here's another angle from the living area. You can use this as one great room. You can divide it between a dining room and a living room. I'll walk over to the bedroom area. It's across the kitchen. Offers a sliding door. You've got a double closet in your bedroom area. The bedroom does offer carpeting. Another energy efficient heating and cooling system. You've got double racks in your closet, so extra space to hang your items. Each apartment home comes equipped with its own modem. Once you pick your package, your internet is ready to be used. So we've got the grab bars around the toilet, full-size bathroom, does have a tub and shower combo. There are medicine cabinets that open up for additional space as well. So this is a accessible 1-bedroom unit at the Brenton Lofts in Davenport, Iowa. Thank you for joining me today.